This video is brought to you by the Program Manager, Infantry Combat Equipment, or PMICE. PMICE is a program management office within Marine Corps Systems Command located in Quantico, Virginia. This video is one in a series of videos PMICE has developed in order to instruct, educate, and assist Marines in the proper form, fit, function, use, and care of infantry combat equipment being fielded by this program office. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the proper procedure to attach the USMC chest rig to the currently issued plate carrier and improved modular tactical vest. We will also demonstrate how to wear it as a standalone chest rig when body armor is not being worn. Before we demonstrate the chest rig, let's take a look at the components that make up the chest rig. First, we have the chest rig assembly itself. Here we have the harness. This is used when body armor is not worn. Here we have two sets of IMTV plate carrier attachment straps. The reason why we have two sets is one is worn on the vest that you're wearing, and the other ones are pre-staged on your secondary vest. Here we have two sets of MTV scalable plate carrier and FISB attachment straps. Before I go on, I want to show you the difference between the two straps. The IMTV and plate carrier attachment straps has this metal tri-glide device at the end of the strap, whereas the MTV scalable plate carrier and FISB attachment strap simply has hook and loop, commonly referred to as Velcro. When all else fails, simply look at the labels. Next, we have 6 Cummerbund adapters. The reason why you have 6 is you're going to wear 2 on your vest that you're wearing, 2 are pre-staged on your secondary vest, and the remaining 2 are for repair purposes. The chest rig comes with the following replacement parts. We have 2 single bar male buckles. It is used to replace the buckles protruding from the top of the chest rig. Next, we have 2 wave lock male buckles. These are used to replace the buckles that are attached to the side of the chest rig. Next, we have 2 female wave lock buckles. These are used to replace any of the female buckles associated with the chest rig. And finally, we have the USMC chest rig instruction card. For demonstration purposes, we will use the currently issued PC to show how to attach the chest rig. The steps would be exactly the same for the IMTV. The first step is to attach the IMTV/PC attachment straps to the metal ring located just below the female buckle on your vest. Before we proceed, I need to point out that depending on when your vest was manufactured, you may have a different buckle than the one we're using here. The difference being this 1/4" space. But that's okay, because regardless of which buckle your vest uses, we will be able to demonstrate attaching your chest rig to your vest. Start by disengaging the large buckle on the front of the PC. You will notice there is a 1/4" space which allows for the metal tri-glide portion of the attachment strap to pass through it. Once it passes through, find the metal ring that's attached to the body armor and simply slide the tri-glide through it, seat it, pull it down, and then reattach the shoulder strap. Remember earlier I said that you may encounter another buckle on your PC. This particular buckle does not have that 1/4" space under it, so the attachment strap does not fit. So here's what you do. Simply remove the buckle as demonstrated and move the metal ring to the front. Then proceed with sliding the tri-glide portion of the strap through the ring and pull it down to lock in place. I will now demonstrate attaching the strap onto a PC where the wearer has opted to wear the optional YIP strap. Simply lift up on the tip of the YIP strap to expose the space. Take the metal tri-glide portion of the strap, slide it through the opening, flip the buckle over, and secure it in place. We are now ready to install the Cummerbund adapters. We need to first attach the front of the chest rig to the plate carrier. Using the attachment straps, adjust the chest rig so that the bottom is aligned with the bottom of the PC. Prior to actually installing the Cummerbund adapter, reach back as far as you can and have a buddy attach the top forward tooth of the adapter to the PALS webbing. Be sure not to use the bottom row of PALS webbing. To finish installing the Cummerbund adapters, we must first remove the vest. Using the pre-staged Cummerbund adapters, slip the long tooth of the adapter under the PALS webbing, then the short tooth. Complete the assembly by doing the same with the back of the adapter, again attaching the long tooth first. To complete installation of the chest rig, don the vest, make all the necessary adjustments to the straps. The chest rig is now ready to go. You can now load your mags, your squad radio, and your GPS receiver. Refer to the instruction card on configuring the chest for saw gunners. We will now demonstrate how to use the chest rig without body armor. Start by connecting the chest rig to the shoulder harness at 2 of the 4 attachment points. Slip the harness over your head and connect any remaining buckles and adjust for fit. Use a buddy to adjust the fit on the rear of the harness. Refer to the instruction card to install the chest rig on the MTV, SPC, and FISB, as well as care and maintenance of your chest rig. Marine Corps Systems Command produced this video in order to demonstrate the proper procedure for attaching the chest rig to your body armor, as well as using it as a standalone chest rig when body armor is not worn. There are several other training videos on Syscom's YouTube channel that demonstrate the proper form, fit, and function of select infantry combat equipment such as the plate carrier and the USMC pack. Go check them out. For more information regarding the USMC chest rig or any other infantry combat equipment, please contact the program office at pmice@usmc.mil.